Welcome to StoryTone English. This is day 14 of your daily English speaking practice. If you have been with us since day 1, congratulations! You've already built a strong speaking habit. In the past days, you learned how to describe things, express emotions, ask and answer questions, and tell stories. Today, we're going to talk about something truly powerful, your dreams and goals. Let's begin today's journey in English. There was a young woman named Rina. For the past 2 weeks, she had been practicing English every single day. She spoke to herself in the mirror, she talked to friends, and even spoke with strangers at the park. She felt her English becoming smoother and her confidence growing stronger. One morning, Rina's teacher asked everyone in the English club to prepare a short speech about their dreams. The topic was simple but meaningful. What is your dream and why? At first, Rina felt nervous. She thought, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? But then she remembered everything she had learned. Fluency doesn't come from fear. It comes from trying, even when you're scared. That evening, she sat down with her notebook and began to write. My dream is to become a teacher, she wrote slowly. I want to help children learn English and feel confident. She practiced her sentences again and again, repeating them out loud. Each time, her voice became clearer and her heart became lighter. The next day, Rina stood in front of her classmates. Her hands were shaking a little, but she smiled. She took a deep breath and began. My dream is to become a teacher because I love helping others learn. She explained her reason with a small story. When I was a child, my teacher told stories that made learning fun. Now I want to do the same for my students. Her words were simple, but they came from her heart. When she finished, the room was quiet. Then her classmates clapped. Her teacher said softly, "Beautiful, Rina. You spoke with honesty and passion." That day, she realized that English is not only a language, it's a bridge to share who you are. Now, it's your turn to practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I have dreams and I believe in them. I can speak about my goals in English. My voice is getting stronger every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I use English to share my story. My dreams give me power and purpose. Good. Let's repeat once more with energy and confidence. Remember, the more emotion you add, the more natural your English sounds. Here's a short daily conversation you can practice. Try to listen, repeat, and then say it on your own. What's your biggest dream? My dream is to study abroad. That's great. Why do you want to do that? Because I want to learn new ideas and meet people from other countries. Sounds exciting. What's your plan to reach that dream? I'll study hard, improve my English, and apply for scholarships. Practice this conversation 2 or 3 times. Then change the dream. Make it your own. Maybe your dream is to start a business or travel the world or become a doctor. Whatever it is, say it out loud. Dreams are more than wishes. They are promises we make to ourselves. When you talk about your goals in English, you're not just practicing speaking, you're training your mind to think positively and clearly. Fluency grows when your thoughts flow easily. So when you speak about your goals, use full sentences. Here's a helpful pattern. I want to because, so I will. For example, I want to be a teacher because I love children, so I will study education. I want to travel because I want to learn cultures, so I will save money. I want to speak English confidently, so I will practice every day. Say your version out loud now. Pause the video, take 1 minute, and speak your dream sentence. Rina continued practicing daily. She didn't just dream, she made small plans. Each morning, she said, I will speak for 10 minutes today. Each night, she listened to one English story before sleeping. Slowly, her English became a part of her daily life. After 2 months, Rina joined an English speech contest. She didn't win first place, but she won something even greater: self-confidence. Her dream of becoming a teacher felt closer than ever. She realized that dreams become real when you give them daily attention. So remember, even if your dream feels big, you can start small. Every word you speak in English is one step forward. Every sentence you say brings your dream closer. Here's your challenge for today. Write 3 sentences about your dream, then record yourself saying them. Example, my dream is to become a good speaker. I want to share my ideas with the world. I will practice every morning. Say your sentences with confidence. Don't worry about accent or grammar. Focus on meaning and emotion. That's how you'll sound natural. You did a great job today. You spoke about your dreams, practiced pronunciation, and learned to express your future plans in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. We post new English speaking practice lessons every day to help you become confident and fluent. See you tomorrow in day 15, where we'll learn how to give and receive advice in English, a powerful skill for daily conversations. Until then, keep speaking, keep dreaming, and keep believing in your English journey. See you in the next class.